In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Polygonal Revision Cloud in AutoCAD. To begin, go to the Revision Cloud tool, or type REVCLOUD in the command line and press Enter. Next, choose the Polygonal option by typing P and pressing Enter. Specify the first point of the Polygonal Revision Cloud by clicking a location in your drawing. Continue selecting additional points to create the shape around the area you want to highlight. After selecting all the required points, close the shape and AutoCAD will create a Polygonal Revision Cloud around the selected area. You can adjust the size and shape of the revision cloud by selecting it and using the available grips. Polygonal Revision Cloud is useful when you need to highlight irregular areas in a drawing. It is commonly used for marking revisions, updates, and sections that need attention. To modify the revision cloud, select the object and adjust its properties or grips as needed. And that's how to use Polygonal Revision Cloud in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.